is your 1-minute coder news from the voice of custom coding. Andrews Powder Coating in Southern California got a call from a major defense contractor interested in replacing hard anodizing for satellites. The gaps between communication for testing were sometimes months apart, and it took multiple labs, including Andrew's very own in-house lab, to complete phase testing, evaluation, and time between pretreatments. In the end, Andrew feels that the world is finally catching up to what the powder coating industry has to offer. Quote, "For so long, we languished in the shadow of the liquid paint world. And finally, the powder coating world is being recognized as an alternative that has many benefits beyond what you can get from liquids, especially environmentally. Good job, custom coders." This article can be found at pfonline.com. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.